Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Upgrading the RAM in your Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 can significantly enhance its performance, especially for gaming and multitasking. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and of course, your new RAM sticks. Ensure you have the right RAM type compatible with your laptop. If you're unsure, a professional diagnosis without obligation can help determine what you need. Begin by turning off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's essential to prevent any electrical damage during the upgrade. Next, place your laptop on a flat, clean surface. Locate the back panel of your Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pry the back panel off using a plastic spudger if you have one. This will help prevent any scratches on the casing. Now that the back panel is removed, take a moment to clean the internal components if necessary. Dust can accumulate over time, which may affect performance. A can of compressed air is ideal for this task. Be cautious not to touch any components directly with your hands to avoid static damage. Next, locate the RAM slots. You should see your existing RAM sticks. To remove them, gently push the clips on either side of the RAM stick outward. The RAM should pop up at an angle, allowing you to lift it out. If you're unsure about this step, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home for a hassle-free experience. Now, take your new RAM sticks. Align the notch in the RAM stick with the ridge in the RAM slot. Insert it at an angle, typically around 30 degrees, and press down firmly until the clips snap back into place, securing the RAM. Repeat this for any additional RAM sticks you are installing. After installing the new RAM, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press it down until it clicks into place. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they're tightened but not overly so to avoid stripping. Once the back panel is secured, connect your laptop to the power source and power it on. As it boots up, enter the BIOS by pressing the appropriate key, usually F2 or delete. Here, you can confirm that the new RAM is recognized. If it shows the correct amount, you're good to go. If you encounter any issues during this process, or if you simply prefer to leave it to professionals, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in pricing. Remember, there are no calls or travel involved when you choose our services. Congratulations on upgrading your Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3's RAM. You should notice improved performance and responsiveness. Happy gaming! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.